Imagine my minivan headlights are your teeth. And imagine this toothbrush is a toothbrush. You can see my headlights have a lot of gunk on it. I'm going to use this toothbrush and some toothpaste to remove that. This is an electric toothbrush. It vibrates really fast. That really helps remove the gunk. So now you can see all the gunk is gone. That is why you need an electric toothbrush. What makes this toothbrush nice is, for one, it has a bunch of different settings. So depending on what you like, what mode you like, you definitely have options. It comes with 6 replacement heads, so you don't have to worry about replacing any of these heads for at least a year. It charges wirelessly, so all you have to do is remember to put it on the base when you're done, and you don't even have to worry about charging this thing ever. Really nice toothbrush. This was sent to me so I could make this video and try it out. I have used a lot of electronic toothbrushes, and I think what really sets this apart is how many different modes it has, and also kind of how small and sleek a design it is. I really like the design for this toothbrush. Let me go ahead and show you everything you get and the different modes for this toothbrush. It's a nice color. You get 6 heads. It is an induction charger. It's got this little nub to keep it in place. And it does come with this case if you want to travel with it. Here's kind of a closer look at the toothbrush and head. So you just kind of slide it onto place and it kind of clicks into place, which is nice. And it does not come out very easily. That's great for when it's in your mouth. It will stay put. And then when you want to charge it, obviously you just put it on the charging base like that, and it will charge wirelessly. Single press to turn on, and then it has different modes, so you can kind of look at the brush here to see how that changes as I go through the modes. So that's white, sensitive, refresh, a little bit faster, clean, and gum care. It's a bit more pulsing with gum care. And you will notice as I turn it on and off, it has a memory of what your last setting is. So if you have a preferred setting and you just use it normally, it's going to go back to that setting, or you can just press this button to cycle through the settings. So I'll go to refresh, turn it off, and then when I turn it on again, it is going to go to refresh. I've really enjoyed this toothbrush. I like how the head is really on there secure. I have had some electronic toothbrushes where this eventually wiggles free. Super annoying. That is not going to happen on this. I like how every 30 seconds this does kind of a pause to let you know to rotate to different sections of your teeth, and then it turns off automatically after 2 minutes. It works great for travel. It comes with its own case. Just an all-around really nice electric toothbrush.